Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Limited is a Japanese multinational engineering, electrical equipment, and electronics company headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. MHI's products include aerospace components, air conditioners, aircraft, automotive components, forklift trucks, hydraulic equipment, machine tools, missiles, power generation equipment, ships, and space launch vehicles. Through its defense-related activities, it is the world's 23rd largest defense contractor measured by 2011 defense revenues, and the largest based in Japan. MHI is one of the core companies of the Mitsubishi Group. History. In 1857, at the request of the Tokugawa shogunate, a group of Dutch engineers began work on the Nagasaki Yotetsuho, a modern, Western-style foundry and shipyard near the Dutch settlement of Dejima, at Nagasaki. This was renamed Nagasaki Yotetsuho in 1860, and construction was completed in 1861. Following the Meiji Restoration of 1868, the shipyard was placed under control of the new government of Meiji Japan. The first dry dock was completed in 1879. In 1884, Yutaro Isaki, the founder of Mitsubishi, leased the Nagasaki Yotetsuho from the Japanese government, renaming it the Nagasaki Shipyard and Machinery Works and entering the shipbuilding business on a large scale. Isaki purchased the shipyards outright in 1887. In 1891, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Yokohama Machinery Works was started as Yokohama Dock Company, Limited. Its main business was ship repairs, to which it added ship servicing by 1897. The works was renamed Mitsubishi Shipyard of Mitsubishi Goshikesha in 1893 and additional dry docks were completed in 1896 and 1905. The Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Shimonoseki Shipyard and Machinery Works was established in 1914. It produced industrial machinery and merchant ships. The Nagasaki Company was renamed Mitsubishi Shipbuilding and Engineering Company, Limited in 1917 and again renamed as Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in 1934. It became the largest private firm in Japan, active in the manufacture of ships, heavy machinery, airplanes and railroad cars. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries merged with the Yokohama Dock Company in 1935. From its inception, the Mitsubishi Nagasaki shipyards were heavily involved in contracts for the Imperial Japanese Navy. The battleship Musashi was completed at Nagasaki in 1942. The Kobe shipyard of Mitsubishi Goshikesha was established in 1905. The Kobe shipyard merged with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in 1934. The Kobe shipyard constructed the ocean liner Argentina Mirage, and the submarines the I-19 and I-25. Following the dissolution of the Zaibatsu after the surrender of Japan at the end of World War II, Mitsubishi divided into three companies. Mitsubishi Nagasaki became West Japan Heavy Industries, Limited. The Nagasaki shipyard was renamed Mitsubishi Shipbuilding and Engineering Company, Limited in 1952. The Mitsubishi Kobe shipyard became Central Japan Heavy Industries, Limited in 1950. In 1964, the three independent companies from the 1950 breakup were merged again into one company under the name of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Limited. The Nagasaki Works was renamed the Nagasaki Shipyard and Engine Works. The Kobe Works was renamed the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Kobe Shipyard and Machinery Works. In 1970, MHI's automobile parts department became an independent company as Mitsubishi Motors. MHI participated in a 540 billion yen emergency rescue of Mitsubishi Motors in January 2005, in partnership with Mitsubishi Corporation and Mitsubishi Tokyo Financial Group. As part of the rescue, MHI acquired a 50 billion yen of Mitsubishi Motors stock, increasing its ownership stake to 15% and making the automaker an affiliate again. In October 2009, MHI announced an order for up to 100 regional jets from the United States-based airline Trans-States Holdings. MHI entered talks with Hitachi in August 2011 about a potential merger of the two companies, in what would have been the largest merger between two Japanese companies in history. the talks subsequently broke down and were suspended. In November 2012, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Hitachi agreed to merge their thermal power generation businesses into a joint venture to be owned 65% by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and 35% by Hitachi. The joint venture is planned to begin operations in 2014. In June 2014, Siemens and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries announced their formation of joint ventures to bid for Alstom's troubled energy and transportation businesses. A rival bid by General Electric has been criticized by French government sources, who consider Alstom's operations as a vital national interest at a moment when the French unemployment level stands above 10% and some voters are turning towards the far right. Operations Aerospace MHI has aerospace facilities in Nagoya, Aichi and Komaki, Aichi. In the defense sector, MHI has produced jet fighters for the Japan Air Self-Defense Force and anti-submarine helicopters for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, as well as aero engines, missiles and torpedoes. It produced 139 Mitsubishi F-15 fighter aircraft from 1981 and produced 200 Sikorsky S-70 family Mitsubishi H-60 helicopters from 1989, in both cases under license production. The company also plays an important role in the Japanese ballistic missile defense system program. In the civil aircraft sector, MHI develops and manufactures major airframe components, including fuselage panels for the Boeing 777 and composite material wing boxes for the 787. In the space systems sector, MHI is the producer of the HIIA and HIIB launch vehicles, Japan's main rockets, and provides launch services to JAXA related to the launch vehicles. The company is also involved in the International Space Station program. On April 1, 2008, MHI established Mitsubishi Aircraft Corporation as a subsidiary to develop and produce the MRJ or Mitsubishi Regional Jet, a 70 to 90 passenger regional airliner. MHI is the majority shareholder of the new company, with Toyota Motor Corporation owning 10%. In December 12, 2012, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries has bought Goodrich Turbine Business, previously owned by United Technologies. In June 2014, the company joined 4 other major Japanese companies in signing an agreement to build parts for Boeing's 777X aircraft. Aircraft, Mitsubishi ATDX, Mitsubishi F1, Mitsubishi F2, Mitsubishi F-15J, Mitsubishi H-60, Mitsubishi Marshall Islands, 2000, Mitsubishi Mu-2, Mitsubishi Mu-300 Diamond, Mitsubishi AP-1, Mitsubishi T2, Mitsubishi Regional Jet. Defense In 2010 MHI commenced production of the Type 10 Advanced Main Battle Tank, at a cost of $11.3 million per unit, to replace the Type 90 tank. Missiles, AAM-1, AAM-2, AAM-3, AAM-4, AAM-5, Nike J Type 80 Air-to-Ship Missile, Type 88 Surface-to-Ship Missile, Type 90 Ship-to-Ship Missile, Type 91 Air-to-Ship Missile, Type 93 Air-to-Ship Missile. Energy. The nuclear business of MHI operates facilities in the cities of Kobe and Takasago in Hyogo Prefecture and in Yokohama, Kanagawa Prefecture. It also operates a nuclear fuel manufacturing plant in Takai, Ibaraki, which processes 440 metric tons of uranium per year. MHI has also developed the Mitsubishi APWR, which as of July 2007, has been selected for use in 2 sites in Japan and the United States. MHI has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with ARVA for the establishment of a joint venture for their next reactor design. MHI has also been selected as the core company to develop a new generation of fast breeder reactors by the Japanese government. After that announcement was made, MHI established a new company, Mitsubishi FBR Systems, Incorporated, specifically for the development and realization of FBR technology, starting what is likely to be the most aggressive corporate venture into FBR and Generation 4 reactor technology. MHI is currently developing a $15.8 billion nuclear power plant in Sinop, Turkey in partnership with Itochu and Engie, which would be its first overseas nuclear project. MHI attempted to acquire the energy business of Alstom in 2014 in order to develop its service network in Southeast Asia. MHI remains interested in acquisitions in the crude oil and gas sectors as of 2015. Shipbuilding MHI has shipbuilding facilities in Nagasaki, Kobe and Shimonoseki, Japan. Nagasaki Shipyard and Machinery Works is the primary shipbuilding division of MHI. It primarily produces specialized commercial vessels, including LNG carriers, oil tankers and passenger cruise ships. Wind power MHI has installed more 3,282 MW worldwide until December 2009, mainly turbines with 1 and 2.4 MW. The company is developing 7 MW turbines for offshore wind power. Tests are planned for 2013 in Europe. On September 27, 2013, MHI and Vestas Wind Systems announced a joint venture to develop offshore wind energy based on Vestas V164 8.0 MW turbine. Products. MHI's products include aerospace systems, rockets and spacecraft, HE, HIIA, HIIB, HTV-1, Hayato, E-Flex, Counterterry 2, Counterterry 3, Counterterry 4, NI, NII, Nagai, SDS-1, SDS-4, Selene, Waseda SAT-2, Winds. Air conditioning and refrigeration systems, armored fighting vehicles, tanks. Desalination equipment, diesel engines, electric buses, energy equipment, fossil fuel electricity generation equipment, boilers, combined cycles, gas turbines, steam turbines. Fuel cells, renewable energy equipment, wind turbines. Traction batteries. Forklifts, industrial machinery, injection molding machine, machine tools, compressors, paper and printing machinery. Light rail vehicles, crystal mover, K-stock metro cars with Rodham, MTR. Robots, Meister. Ships and marine structures, cruise ships, Diamond Princess Mazamedia, Masashika II, Omega, built as a small cruise ship, but was converted into a luxury yacht between 2002 and 2003. Ferries, LPG carriers, oil tankers, deep submergence vehicles, DSV Shinkai 2000, DSV Shinkai 6500. Chikia, warships, Artigo-class destroyer, Harushio-class submarine, Hatake-class destroyer, Konga-class destroyer, Takake-class destroyer, Taken Army-class destroyer, Natsushio-class submarine, Oyashio-class submarine, Zaraya-class submarine, Hayabusa-class patrol boat, Musashi, Yamato-class battleship. Torpedoes, turbochargers. Notes. References. External links. Official website, WW2DB, Mitsubishi Military Aircraft of World War II.